morning friend. Today we will study about heat conduction through a plane wall. So this is a plane wall whose thickness is L, and this is a outer face and this is the inner face, and there is a heat transfer is taking place from outer face to inner face. Because of heat transfer at steady states, there is a temperature distribution across this thickness of the plane wall. This is a linear profile of this plane wall temperature distributions. So outer temperature is T1 and inner temperature is T2. So consider this is a homogeneous plane wall of homogeneous materials. It is flowing only in one direction, that is in x directions. K is the thermal conductivity of the materials. T1 is outer temperature and T2 is inner phase temperature. No. So in order to derive the heat conduction, that is, in order to find the Q, let consider an elements of thickness dx at a distance x from temperature axis. This is temperature axis and this is thickness x axis along the along the thickness of the plane wall. So here area of heat transfer is A. From Fourier's law of heat conduction, Q is equal to minus Ka dt by dx. Q dx is equal to minus Ka dt. For this line dx, here change in temperature is dt. Okay. For these elements, we will apply Fourier's law for these elements. So Q is equal to minus K dt by dx, Q dx is equal to minus K dt. So integrating both sides by taking suitable boundary conditions. Here variable is x and t, temperature versus x. So at x is equal to 0, temperature is T1. At x is equal to L, the temperature is T2. So integrate it Qx 0 x 0 to x L equal to minus K T T1 to T2. After putting boundary, you will get QL is equal to minus we will move K T1 minus T2. Upper limit minus lower limit, but sign change minus minus sign will remove. So you will get Q is equal to K T1 minus T2 by L. Lastly, T1 minus T2 bottom L by A. So if you compare this Ohm's law equation, then you will get L by K as a thermal resistance due to conductance. So this is a heat transfer from these sections. Suppose this, and this is position 1. This is position 2. Okay. Here temperature T1, T2, and steady state heat transfer is going on. This is Q. Then RTH conduction L by K. This denominator term is called thermal resistance due to conductance. So L by K. So lastly, we will get a results. The heat conduction through a plane wall. Heat and the value of Q is equal to temperature difference. This temperature difference between outer phase and inner phase divided by thermal resistance conductance. Thermal resistance due to conduction. So this is result for heat transfer to a plane wall. Pause. 1 minute.